Hi, welcome to Excel tutorial. In this part, we will be discussing about review tab of Excel. In review tab of Excel, we have different groups like proofing, accessibility, insights, languages, changes, new comment, and different options related to comments, notes, protection of worksheet, and ink. All these are visible to us. Any spelling error is present. Suppose if I take example of okay, it gives different suggestions if there is any error in it. Okay, if I feel that particular spelling is correct, I click on okay. Okay, I know that this is correct, so I'm clicking on ignore once, ignore all. Okay, in this manner, we can go for even Hyderabad. I'm giving it as Hyderabadu. Now, if I click on spelling and grammar or F7, what it will do? Different suggestions will be given. Okay, ignore. I'm ignoring all this. It want to check. Then Hyderabad suggestion is given. I am simply clicking on change. The checking is done. In this manner, spelling and grammar is useful for checking any spelling errors in the worksheet. Now, coming to the second one, thesaurus. Synonyms, antonyms, different words can be searched here. Suppose if I search for the word BT, okay, any word is not found. I'm clicking on word. So we got different synonyms, antonyms, and all the information related to the word will be retrieved by using thesaurus. The statistics of workbook, end of sheet, cells with data, number of tables, number of formulas, total number of worksheets, number of cells with data. Okay. In current sheet and total workbook, the data of current sheet and total workbook will be clearly present here. Accessibility. We have accessibility, default sheet names, hard to read text contrast. So different kinds of alternate text is not given here. So whatever accessibility issues we have in the workbook, they will be displayed here. Okay. Then coming to next part. Smart lookup. We can look for different options here and we can search for it. This is just like search box. Translate options. Okay. We can translate into different languages. So English can be translated into language of our choice. Like take example of Hindi, Bengaluru converted. Take example of Telugu then. My mother tongue is translated. Right? In this manner from one language to another, Spanish. Okay. From one whatever languages available here to those languages, it can be easily changed. Okay, Kannada. Even Tamil. Okay. Different regional and international languages will be available. Translator will change our input into different other languages. But if we make any changes, okay, the changes that we make, view details of who changed what, where and when in this workbook. Okay. To enable this show changes option. It is important to have track changes option in review tab. But generally, this option will not be visible for most of you. Then what you have to do, go to File, go to Options. In Options, go to Customize ribbon. In Customize ribbon, select All Commands. Then in All Commands, search for Track Changes, which will be present with the T, Track Changes Legacy. Okay, it will be found at bottom. You can see here, Track Changes Legacy will be visible. And we have to insert that. I'm renaming it. One group is created. The group is, I can select any one icon for it. And I'm renaming it as Track Changes. Okay. Track Changes group is added. In that, I'm selecting Track Changes Legacy option, which is already added. So add option is not visible here. I can click on add and automatically it will be added to track changes. So it is visible here now. Okay. Now what I can do, I have to click on highlight changes. Okay. Track changes while editing. This also shares your workbook. Who is doing it, where they are doing it, everything, right? Reference is not valid. Okay. I have to specify the location exactly. I'm not using it. The action will now save the workbook. Do you want to continue? Okay. Okay. Now I'm clicking on the cell and I'm making different changes to it. Now, once the changes are done, so I can track changes in that manner. But when we have shared Excel file, the show changes. The next option is show changes. This is new option of Excel web when you share file online. When different people are given access to make changes, then you can do that. Okay. The next group is comments group. New comment. Suppose when I enter a number, if I want to write a comment for it, I can write a comment like just I'm writing number. Okay. So whenever I place my cursor over there, I can read the comment. Okay. What is the previous comment? What is the next comment? Whatever comments I have. When I think about deleting the comment, all the comments will be displayed. These are the different options related to comments. When we think about writing some note for particular cell or group of cells, that can be done by using comment option. Okay. Notes. If you think about writing a notes, that you can write. This is similar to comment. Okay. This will be also displayed similar to comment. And protection of sheet. We can give password and we can protect the sheet. We can also protect the workbook by giving the password, allowing the changes, whatever permissions that we have to give, that can be given here. We can hide the ink. Here we have inks, right? So we can hide it. When comments are visible, by clicking on hiding, we can hide those comments. So track changes option, we already discussed about how track changes option can be inserted. Thank you. Thank you all.